Hi, my name is Eddie Cook, and I'm Senior Admissions Rep here at Asher College. Today's a very special day for me. I have a graduating student of mine, Sashi Sharma. Sashi came to us with a variety of backgrounds, and I am so proud of her. Today she gets her Associates of Applied Science in Office Accounting. Sashi, that's for you. Oh my God! I'm so stoked for you.
So excited, super excited, yes.
So tell me how you got here. How'd you get here?
I came from Highlands.
Okay.
I did my high school diploma there. I came here to finish office accounting certification.
Sure.
Then I found out Asha is offering a degree program.
That's awesome.
So I talked to my counselors and advisors and also my instructor Melanie, and I decided to do this.
Good for you. Now, you said that you were the last in your family to get a degree, right?
Yes.
The last in your family, but definitely not the last because your kids are going to go to college too, right?
Yes. My two daughters are graduated and they have degrees.
Good for you.
My son is 13 and he's going to get here too.
Awesome.
And I'm not stopping here. I'm going to do my bachelor's and
That a girl!
Way to go.
masters.
That's what I'm talking
Yes.
about. Well, congratulations.
I love school.
I couldn't be
and
more proud of you. I really couldn't. You've come
Thank
so
you.
far.
Don't
And,
give up. I'm
thanks
not
for-
giving up.
All right.
It's never too late.
Right.
Yes.